Welcome. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to view all shared photos in a messenger chat on your PC. Whether you want to look back at photos you've shared with friends or revisit a memory, it's easy to access all the media shared in a conversation. Let's go through the steps. First, open the Power Messenger app, on your PC. If you're not already logged in, make sure to enter your credentials and sign in. Once you're in, look through your chats and find the conversation you want to check. It could be a one-on-one chat or a group chat, it doesn't matter, just click on the chat to open it. Now, once you're in the chat, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see 3 dots stacked vertically. Click on these 3 dots to open up a menu with different options. From the menu, look for Media and Files, and click on it. This will open a section specifically showing all the media shared in this conversation. Next, under B and Media and Files, click on Media. This will display all the photos and videos that have been shared in the chat, organized for easy viewing. You can scroll through the shared media and view any photos or videos that have been uploaded during the conversation. It's a great way to quickly find and revisit pictures, GIFs, or videos you've exchanged. And that's it. You've successfully accessed all the photos shared in your messenger chat on your PC. It's an easy way to look back on memories and find important images without scrolling through your entire chat history. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more messenger tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.